Ha 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 ha. Oops! I've been witness again the heavy rain in Saudi Arabia, and somebody tell that Saudi Arabia is a desert country and there is no rain. No, there is a rain here in Saudi Arabia. There is a hailstone also in Saudi Arabia, but here in my city there is a heavy rain only. But in another city there is a hailstone, like Taif, like Abha. If the rain is coming, there is a hailstone. Yesterday I'm very happy to witness again the heavy rain, and could you imagine how happy I am yesterday, because the dust will fade out because of the rain. The rain was dropped and fall at 5 p.m. at 5 p.m. in the afternoon. And could you imagine, could you see it, my chicken? Their check rest because of that heavy rain. Whew. I don't have any appearance for my videos, because you know the rain is too cold. See, you see it now, how strong the heavy rain. I'm happy yesterday.